We thought that when you said you supported the 1864 ban, you meant it.
Why such a drastic change in the way you talked about it?
I want to know what you say to the people who trusted you and believed in you, and why are you against that miracle?
Well, let me thank you for the question. First of all, I am pro-life.
This has not been a good week for Republican Senate candidate and Trump ally Kari Lake. On Tuesday, Arizona's top court reinstated an abortion ban from 160 years ago. When slavery was the law of the land, only white men could vote, and Arizona wasn't actually a state. The ban criminalizes virtually all abortions, with no exceptions for rape or incest, and Kari Lake was a big proponent of that law.
I'm incredibly thrilled that we are going to have a great law that's already on the books. So it will prohibit abortion in Arizona.
That was 2 years ago when Kari Lake was running for Arizona governor. But now, when she is running for Arizona senator, the great law has actually become the law of the land, and it is deeply, profoundly unpopular. So yesterday, Kari Lake changed her mind.
But if you look at where the population is on this, a full ban on abortion is not where the people are. The issue is less about banning abortion and more about saving babies.
Are you following this? Pro-life Kari Lake, who previously called the Civil War-era abortion ban a great law, is now claiming that the law is not where the people are. She even reportedly called on Arizona state legislators to repeal it, which has landed her in some very hot water with conservative anti-choice voters. And that is what you saw in that clip we played earlier, where she's getting booed, effectively. It could have just ended there, but it didn't. To prove her credentials with the allegedly pro-family wing of her party, Lake this week touted a new and amazing policy.
In Hungary, what they did I thought was so amazing. They started with their tax rate. And when you get married, they give you a cut in your tax rate. When you have your first child, they give you another cut. By the time a mother has 4 children, she never pays taxes again. That's called a baby bonus. I think we should do that here in America.
Okay, first of all, the reason Hungary's authoritarian dictator Viktor Orban is trying to encourage native mothers to have multiple offspring is because he is engaged in a white Christian nationalist project of repopulating his country with white Christians. And as part of that, he has pursued an aggressively fascistic agenda of keeping out black and brown migrants. Setting all of that aside, the policy that Kari Lake thinks is so amazing, that tax cut for people who have kids, is literally something we have here in America. It's called the child tax credit, and lawmakers have recently proposed expanding it. But right now, right at this very moment, in fact, the Senate and Senate Republicans in particular are trying to block it. Here's the quote. Senate Republicans are inching closer to burying a bipartisan bill to expand the child tax credit. The top Republican in the Senate Finance Committee said it would create too much entitlement. It appears that Kari Lake's know-nothingness about reproductive health care extends to a know-nothingness about a lot of other things, too.
Hey everyone, MSNBC has a new and improved app. You'll get real-time alerts and analysis, live blogs, in-depth essays, video highlights, and the best 2024 election coverage. Download the new MSNBC app. Here's how to do it. You tap on the App Store on your phone. You hit search on the bottom right corner. You type in MSNBC. You click on the MSNBC app. You click on Get or the cloud icon and enjoy it.